Students, let's look at this numerical on coefficient of variation. Measuring variation between two different units is done through. So the answer is B, coefficient of variation. So coefficient of variation compares relative variability. Compares relative variability. So it is a unit-free measure to compare the dispersion of one variable to another. Compares dispersion of one variable with the dispersion of another variable. That is coefficient of variation. So what is the formula? Formula for coefficient of variation is standard deviation by mean into 100. So it is also denoted by sigma by x bar, or it can all, x bar can also be called as mu. So it also can be denoted as sigma by mu into 100. So if suppose there is a question where the median weight of 100 children is equal to 12 kgs. Standard deviation has been given as, suppose the standard deviation is 3. So sigma is 3, x bar or mu is 12. So in here it is a median weight, but we'll take it as the average. And in that case, what is the coefficient of variation? Coefficient of variation is the mean, that is the standard deviation, that is 3 by 12, that is the mean, or here it is the median weight which is given, into 100, it is 25%. So the answer here is coefficient of variation.